Showing in 2 days. Dalawang tulog na lang po, so it's your showing. Like ko sinasabi, life is so difficult, dami nating problema. So maganda din na paminsan-minsan, meron tayong mapapanood na hindi lang nakakapagpakilig pero nakakapagpagaan ng loob. At hindi natin may isip yung mga problems natin for 2 hours, let's say, more or less. So, panoorin niyo po dahil promise maganda siya. Matatawa po kayo, kikiligin kayo, mapapaisip, at mai-in love.
Wow!
Yes, Ton?
Copy-paste. Copy-paste.
Ito na si Mr. Copy-Paste.
At least hindi na Mr. Paraphrase.
Parang sa school, si Carla yung sobrang studious. Si Tom yung nakikisilip na yung ngopya, ganun ba. Thank you, and we hope we have your full support. Sana po tulungan niyo po kami to promote the movie. Kahit word of mouth lang, syempre after tonight, after seeing it. Tulungan niyo po kami spread
word
the
of
word.
mouth or
Thank
word of
you.
keyboard.